Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a hair look, but before I get deep into it, I just wanted to address everything that's going on in the world right now, especially with coronavirus going on. I really want to send out my prayers and my love to people who have lost family members or friends due to the COVID-19. Also with the protests, I am Black myself and I support the movement. I want to see better. We deserve better. You know, if you guys can't really protest or do much, there are other ways that you can support by signing the petitions just so we could see change. But yeah guys, let's get right into the video. So today, as you can see by title, I'm doing a hair look. I'm doing the sleek bun on a natural hair. As you can tell, my hair is naturally curly, but I wouldn't be using any gel. I might use a little bit of gel, but my hair is thin, so whenever I use gel, I lost baby hairs due to using excessive amount of gel, so I'm not a big fan of gels. So what I will be using, this conditioner by Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is my favorite. Shea Moisture is my favorite product. You will need some water and some brushes. So yeah, let's get right into the hair. In order to achieve a straight hair looking sleek bun, you can either use this type of brush or this type of brush.
So before this video started, I already detangled my curls and that's why they look brushed. Then part your hair onto your preferred side and spray your hair with water, only the top part of your hair. You don't want your hair to be too wet, you just want it to be dampened enough to brush down your hair. Leave the ends of your hair dry.
Now this is where the Shea Moisture comes in. Also, the amount you use depends on you and the type of hair you have. I usually take a scoop for my fingers, and that's what I use onto my hair.
I only use a little bit of product because I wanted my hair to look as naturally sleek as possible.
I forgot to say this earlier, but whenever you're brushing out your hair, you want to leave the end part of your hair a little bit curly and puffy just to create the bun look.
Now you go in with the brush of your choice to sleek your hair back. So like I said earlier, my hair is really thin, so I go in with a scrunchie to tie up my hair. I like to be really delicate with my hair. So most times when you're done tying up your hair, the front part of your hair looks a little bit messy, so you just want to go over it with some water and brush it down. So the reason why I said to leave your ends dry is because you want to keep that volume when you're creating your bun. I usually go over it with water just so I could have a more smoother look.
Now I go in with a tighter tie.
From here is self-explanatory. You just pick up your ponytail and twirl it up in a bun.
If you want to go over your hair, if you have any last touch-ups, I would say to go in with a brush.
So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is honestly a 5-minute look, super simple and cute. But yeah, thank you guys, and comment, subscribe, and like. Don't forget to share too.
Just stay safe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.